What's the meaning of brassiere? Brassiere. Brassiere.
Brassiere. Brassiere. The term brassiere is another word for a woman's undergarment commonly referred to as a bra. It is typically worn to support the breasts and provide shape to the upper body. The design of a brassiere can vary depending on its intended use, with some styles offering more support or lift than others. Bras can be made from a variety of materials including cotton, lace, and synthetic fabrics. They come in a range of sizes to fit different body types and preferences, and are an essential part of many women's daily wardrobes.